Got a diesel truck that's misfiring? Let's fix that, fast. First, let's identify the common signs of a misfire. Uneven idling, sudden loss of power, and excessive smoke from the exhaust are all big red flags. Now, let's dive into what might be causing these issues. Faulty fuel injectors can lead to reduced or uneven fuel delivery. Low compression? That could point to worn piston rings or cylinder issues. And don't forget fuel delivery problems. Clogged filters or a failing fuel pump can be culprits too. To diagnose these problems, you'll need some tools. A compression tester can check your engine's compression. An injector tester can help identify faulty injectors. These tools are key to pinpointing the exact issue. For quick fixes, start by cleaning or replacing dirty injectors. Simple maintenance can work wonders. And remember, regular checks are vital to keeping your diesel running strong. So stay proactive with your truck maintenance.